Here we are at Lake Winfield Scott. We're about to get going on our run. We'll head up the trail to Jarrard Gap and the Appalachian Trail and Blood Mountain, back down the Appalachian Trail to our campground at Dockery Lake. So apparently it's Gerard Gap, not Jarrard. Either way, it's a lovely climb from the beautiful Lake Winfield Scott, where we were dropped off, up to the Appalachian Trail. It's a gradual climb. You turn left heading north onto the Appalachian Trail, where you continue climbing up to Blood Mountain. This effort was actually my wife's biggest mountain trail run to date. She's run a half road marathon in the past, and she has covered more distance and timed events, but those were on flatter courses. She's eager to ramp up her mileage on the trail, and is even hoping to one day complete an ultra marathon. I had that in mind when choosing this route. With a decent fitness base and the right attitude, even an ultra distance is not out of reach. My intention with this run was to let her set the pace and build confidence. If you take your time, hike the uphills, eat a snack when you're tired, drink when you're thirsty, you can do more than you even know you can. When you reach the stone staircase, you'll be at the junction of Slaughter Creek Trail. This is another trail connecting Lake Winfield Scott to Blood Mountain. And if you're making an out and back from Lake Winfield Scott, you'll likely want to utilize both the Slaughter Creek and Jarrard Gap trails. But since we were shuttled away from camp and were doing a point-to-point, we passed by Slaughter Creek, veering right up the staircase toward the final push up Blood Mountain. And at the summit lies the Blood Mountain Shelter, marking the highest point on the Appalachian Trail in Georgia. Be sure to scramble up the rocks just outside the shelter for Blood Mountain's commanding view. And if coming from the south, as we were, be sure to also continue north on the AT just a stone's throw to a bald spot with more views to the east. After breaking for a snack here, we turned around and headed back to camp. But before you leave the summit, don't miss out on the privy, or outhouse, with the best view in Georgia. But if you're looking to extend your adventure, look up details on the Freeman Trail to find more loop options. If you're fortunate enough to be camped at Dockery Lake and are taking the same route as us, you'll make a left-hand turn at the marked trailhead for the 3.5-mile Dockery Lake Trail. Otherwise, the Appalachian Trail will continue south to the next road crossing at Woody Gap.
All right, that's it, folks. Just finished up our run on the AT. We got dropped off this morning at the Lake Winfield Scott. Ran the Jarrard Gap Trail up to the Appalachian Trail. Went northbound on the Appalachian Trail, climbing Blood Mountain. Turned around there, came southbound on the Appalachian Trail to Dockery Lake Trail. Took Dockery Lake Trail 3.5 miles back here to Dockery Lake where we have camp. In total, it was 13 miles, 2,900 feet of gain, and a great day.